Hello, eighth grade band. I'm here with your assignment for Thursday. So let's go into our assignments folder on Schoology, into our pink distant or digital learning folder for this week, and then our orange assignments folder. We have an orange assignment folder for Thursday, and then we also have in here our written instructions. And we'll start our assignment with a sight reading factory, just another four measure exercise. And then we'll move into smart music and we'll be continuing with Standard of Excellence Book 3 today. You'll be assigned page 2, number 4 and 5. Okay, this ever decides to load. There we go. So today we're working with scales, and I know everyone when I say the word scales, they're like, "Oh, scales," but scales are the building blocks of what we do, so they're super duper important. Okay, that's why the beginning of this book actually reviews a lot of scales. And we number 4, this technique break, focuses on our chromatic scale, which, as you remember, is a scale of half steps. Every the distance between every note in the scale is a half step, which is different from our major and minor scales. So, depending on what instrument you start on a note, it's the first note of your concert B flat scale, and we're playing to the top note of our concert B flat scale, but we're playing all the half steps in between. Couple things to think about with this one. First off, if you do not remember a fingering for a note, remember that Smart Music has the handy dandy fingering chart inside, and it shows you the fingering that you're supposed to play. Okay. The other thing is the articulation that's written in. We have staccato, staccato, slur, staccato, staccato, slur, staccato, staccato, slur. So that would be ta, 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 ta. I just sang a major scale. Here, let me get my starting pitch. Boom. Hey, I had the right note. Ba, 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 ba. And then the simile here means that we play the same articulation going down. Ba, 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 ba. Okay? So awesome. Super duper important. Then we're going to go to minor scales. And we're going to play our concert G minor scale. Okay? And the G minor scale is relative with our B flat major scale. It's the relative minor. And what that means is it shares a key signature. So if you look at your key signature, it's the same key signature as your concert B flat scale. Okay. So G minor is the relative of B flat major. Okay. We also have a couple different types of minor scales here. So the first couple measures is our natural minor scale. The natural minor scale means that you play simply what's in the key signature. Sounds like this. Okay, I don't really like that background part, to be honest with you. The harmonic minor is you take the seventh note of the scale, whatever note you have. For saxophones, it's D, but it's different for every instrument. You take the seventh note of that scale and you raise it a half step. And for all the instruments in this particular exercise, that means you're going to add a sharp to that note. Okay, that is what this is what that one sounds like. That one always sounded like Aladdin to me, kind of Arabian Nights type sounding. Then we have our melodic minor. This is melodic minor is kind of the tricky one because it actually is different going up the scale than it is going down the scale. So melodic minor means that when you're going up the scale, you're playing the normal notes, but then you raise the sixth and the seventh note going up. So in this case, adding sharps. Sometimes raising it can mean also adding a natural if it's flat in the key signature. Raising it a half step would make it natural. But here we have sharps on the sixth and seventh note, and then it goes back to the key signature going down. So raise the sixth and seventh note going up and play everything in the key signature going down. Okay, and then we have our arpeggio and chords that we have in a lot of our scale exercises from Standard of Excellence that we've done in the past. So same sort of thing here. chord, chord, chord. Okay? So I actually slowed down the tempo for this one on the assignment. You're actually playing it right now. This is playing at 112. On the assignment, it's going to be 80 beats per minute. Yeah. So if you guys have any questions on either this or the chromatic scale exercise, always feel free to reach out to me, email, phone. Reach out if you'd like to do a Zoom session, anything that I can do to help you. Okay. Happy practicing, and I will be back with your assignment for Friday tomorrow. All right. Bye, everyone.